So GitHub does not allow you to clone a repository using username and password only. So you cannot clone the repository in your server using username and password. You have to use the classic personal tokens or the new repo scope tokens. So let's see how we can do this and how you can clone a repository in your server or even in your local computer. First, go to the repository that you want to clone. Okay, you can just go to GitHub. You don't have to go to the repository itself. Anyway, I want to clone this repository, test repo, and then go to settings, scroll down, click on this developer setting at the bottom, click on personal access tokens. So this is the classic token. Now this allows you to clone or push to any repository, and the new one is fine-grained tokens, which allow access to only a specific repository. So let's just go to classic tokens right now and click on generate new token. You need to enter the authenticator code here, or you can just click on use your password. Once you've done this, just click on verify, and now just add a token name. I'll just write test token. You can have a description if you want. The owner is definitely going to be me. You can set an expiration date. You can change it to 90 days custom, and you can give access to only a specific repository or all repositories. So I'll just choose a specific repository for now, and let's say I want to give this token the permission for test token, sorry, text repo. So now this token can only be used for this repository, and I'll just click on generate token, and you'll see this message that says it will expire on September 2. Click on generate token, and now once you have this token, you need to just copy this, and let's see how we can clone this using this token. So let's say you are in a server terminal, right? Okay, let me just browse to desktop. Okay, let's say you're in a server. So the command to clone will now be this one. So since we are using a legacy token, we need to enter git clone and then this URL with username and token here and the repository URL here. Similarly, you can use the new token using this syntax. Okay, so what you need to do is first, let's just type git clone and then add our repository URL. Okay, so this is the repository URL, git clone.git. Now go back all the way to HTTPS, and after this, here you need to enter your username and then the token. Okay, so what's the username? The username is this. Okay, enter it here and then enter your token. So HTTPS, the wish, and then token, and then @ remove these 2 slashes, so it's the slashes are here after HTTPS. Okay, so this is the syntax: HTTPS : and then username and then the token @ github.com/ your repository URL. Now just hit enter and it will be cloned without any authentication required. So let's check this out. Go to desktop, and here is the test repo, and here we have our repository contents. So this is how you can clone a GitHub repository using personal access tokens in a server or in a local machine where you are not asked for username or password. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.